Hello everyone, this is Anita C. I'm now in London, UK, and I've just checked in to London Marriott Hotel at Canary Wharf. So this is not central London. If you take the Elizabeth line, it is in zone 2. The reason why I'm staying here is because I'm here for work. I'm here just for 3 nights. I'll be attending the conference for the next 2 days. And the conference will be happening at Excel Convention Center, in which is only 1 stop away from Canary Wharf to the Custom House. So it's very convenient. This time, this is why I decided not to stay in central London for the convenience of just attending the conference for work. So Canary Wharf is actually a nice financial area, kind of outside central London, but you can see they have a lot of big corporations, Deloitte, Citibank, HSBC, a lot of corporations here. And then when crossing that bridge, is actually going to the main area. There's a lot of eateries. There is DLR, the light rail, as well as Elizabeth line, as I mentioned. So I'm in room 302, although only on the 3rd floor, but nicely they have the water view. Actually, I have a request for upgrade, but unfortunately they are fully booked because of the convention, so it's not available. But upon very serious request, they give me this nice room with the water view, because I do need to have a room like with a very nice and bright view, and that's my request. Okay, so I will still do a very quick room tour in case you guys coming over for the area. Actually, it's a nice area, not just for work. The Canary Wharf is a nice area. Okay, so this is the amenities, and this is the bathtub with the shower. I hope the water pressure is okay. So this is one of the wardrobe. Okay, so they have an ice bucket here, a safe deposit box in here, and then they have the iron and iron board, 2 pair of slippers, as well as 2 bathrooms in the wardrobe. Okay, then over here they have the Nespresso coffee machine with 4 capsules. And then they have a mini bar. Let's see if they're stocked up or not. Okay, so they have some Pepsi, they have some soda water. So at least there's some things stocked up here. And then walking over, this is the work desk with the TV here. Very typical setup for a business hotel. With the water kettle, with the mugs, and then the bottle of still water. Okay, so on this side is the king size bed. This is the decor of the room, and because of the water view, this lazy bed sofa comes in handy. That can pretty much sit here and watch the view. Okay, so this is pretty much it for the Marriott Hotel at Canary Wharf. And I do have executive lounge access, so I will have breakfast there. I think they are also serving evening cocktails and such, so I will also check it out and report back. So stay tuned, see you.